Hello students. So today we begin with a new topic, which is quadratic equations. It is one of the easiest topics in your entire 10th mathematics, and we shall directly start by solving the problems in exercise 1 because it's so simple. So we will go through the fundamentals required and we will directly start solving all the problems given in the first exercise. And before we start, do not forget to join the Telegram group. The link has been given in description to get all the uploads of 10 mathematics. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to get notifications of all the further uploads. So before we begin with the problems in the first exercise, we consider a polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. So this happens to be a quadratic polynomial where a is not equal to 0. Okay, and if this is equal to 0, that is if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a quadratic equation where a is definitely not equal to 0. So the first exercise, the first problem is to check whether the equation, the quadratic equation, is in this form, whether it's in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, or whether the equation is a quadratic equation or not. So let's begin with the first one, where we have x plus 1 the whole square equals 2 into x minus 3. So now let me expand this. So this is x square plus 2x plus 1, that's a square plus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? Equals 2x minus 6. So now this 2x and 2x gets cancelled and we have x square. So if I bring minus 6 to this side, we get plus 7. So I have x square plus 7 equal to 0. So is this a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c? Yes, where a is 1, b is 0 and c is 7. So this is of course a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. 2. I have x square minus 2x equals minus 2 into 3 minus 6. Another very simple problem. So this implies, so I have x square minus 2x. So let me multiply minus 2 with these two. So I get minus 6 plus 2x. So if I bring all of them to LHS, I get x square minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. And this is the quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a is 1, b is minus 4 and c is 6. So this definitely is a quadratic equation. 3. We have x minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. I need to multiply both of them. So what do I get? X into x is x square. X into 1 is x, so plus 1. So then you have minus 2 into x is minus 2x. And then you have minus 2 into plus 1, which is minus 2. Equal to, so now I multiply these two. So I get x into x is x square. X into 3 is 3x. Minus 1 into x is minus x. And then minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. So here x square and x square gets cancelled. So I get minus x minus 2 equals 2x minus 3. So if I bring this x and this 2 to RHS, I get 2x plus x is 3x. Minus 3 plus 2, you get minus 1 equal to 0. So I get minus 1 plus 3x, so 3x minus 1. So here if we observe, so very clearly x square is missing. So when I have the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a should not be equal to 0 here. So I cannot have the x square term missing. So here a is equal to 0 because x square term is missing. So this is not a quadratic equation of the form. So the answer is no. Next, 4. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 equals x into x plus 5. So is this a quadratic equation? So now let us multiply both of them. I have 2x into x is 2x square. X plus 1 is x, that is x into plus 1 is x, minus 3 into 2x is minus 6x, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 equals, so I have x square plus 5x. So x into x plus x into 5 is 5x. So now if I bring this x square to LHS, so I get 2x square minus x square is x square. So this is actually minus 5x. So if I bring this to the LHS, this also becomes minus 5. So I get minus 5 minus 5, x is minus 10x. So this is minus 3 equal to 0. So is this of the form? Yes, it is. So the answer is yes. Next, moving on with the fifth one. 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 equals x plus 5 into x minus 1. So again, let us multiply all of them. 2x into x is 2x square. 2x into minus 3 is minus 6x. Minus 1 into x is minus x. Then you have minus 1 into minus 3. So this becomes plus 3 equals. Now multiply these two. X into x is x square. X into minus 1 is minus x. Plus 5 into x is plus 5x. And then you have minus 5. So now I have 2x square and x square. So I bring this to LHS. So I get x square. This is 7x minus 7x. So this is minus 7x. And this is plus 4x. So if I bring this to LHS, you get minus 7x minus 4x, that is minus 11x. And this is minus 3. If I bring this 5 to this side, it becomes minus 3 plus 5, which is plus 8 equal to 0. So I get x square minus 11x plus 8 equal to 0. This is definitely of this form, so the answer is yes. Problem 6. X square plus 3x plus 1 equals x minus 2 the whole square. So now let us expand this term. So you have LHS remains the same. So I get x square plus 3x plus 1 equals, so this is of the form a minus b the whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I have x square minus 2 into a into b, which is minus 2 into x, which is minus 4x plus 4. So here x square gets cancelled. If I bring this minus 4 to LHS, you get 7x minus 3 equal to 0. So I get 7x minus 3 equal to 0. So definitely the answer is no. It is not of this form. So the answer is no. Next, problem 7. You have x plus 2 the whole cube equals 2x into x square minus 1. Now if we observe, we have x plus 2 the whole cube. So we have to remember the formula. What is a plus b the whole cube? It is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So here a is x and b is 2. So we have to use this expression and expand this. So have a cube, which is x cube, plus b cube. 2 cube is 8. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Plus 3 into a is x, into b is 2, into a plus b, which is x plus 2, equal to, so I have 2x into x square minus 1. So I get 2x cube minus 2x. So this is what we get. So finally, I have to expand this. X cube plus 8 plus, so this is 3 into 2 into x. So this is 6x into x. So I get 6x square. So here we have 6x into 2, which is 12x, equal to 2x cube minus 2x. So let me take all of them to RHS. So I get 2x cube minus x cube, which is x cube. Next, this goes to RHS, so it becomes minus 6x square. And then you have 12x, which goes to RHS. So it is minus 12x minus 2x, which is minus 14x, minus 8 equal to 0. So this is the expression what we get. Now this is definitely not a quadratic equation because I have a cube. So the answer is definitely no. So this is a very simple problem. So whenever you get x cube, so we know that definitely it is not a quadratic equation. The next one, we have x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equals x minus 2 the whole cube. So here we have x minus 2 the whole cube. You have to use this formula where it is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So let me expand the RHS. Alright, so this is equal to, the LHS remains the same, x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to, so here a is x, b is minus 2. So we have x cube minus 8 minus b cube, isn't it? So b is 2 minus 3 into a, which is x, into b is 2 into x minus 2. So what do we get? So of course x cube and x cube gets cancelled. We can do that. So I am left with minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to minus 8 here. This is minus 6x into x. So that is minus 6x square. And then you have minus into minus is plus. So this is 6 into 2, which is 12x. So let me bring this to LHS. So we get 6 minus 4. So you get 2x square. And then you have 12x and minus 6. So if this comes to LHS, it becomes minus. So you have minus 12 minus 1, which is minus 13x. And then this also becomes plus. So 8 plus 1 is 9 equal to 0. So we get 2x square minus 13x plus 9 equal to 0. Is this of this form? Yes. So the answer is yes. So now in this problem, in the first problem, there were 8 subdivisions where we had to check whether the given polynomial was a quadratic equation, and we have done that. So now we have some more problems where they are in the form of sentences and we need to get the expressions. So let us see how we can go about solving these problems. They are very interesting. So problem 2, first one, it states that the area of a rectangular plot. So this is a rectangular plot and the area is 528 meters square. The area of the rectangular plot is 528. Now let the breadth be x and let the length be y. Now what has been given in the problem? The length of the plot is, that is the length of the plot, y is 1 more than is 1 plus, twice the breadth, that is 2x. So this is what has been given. And how do we find the area of a rectangular plot? It is length into breadth. So it is x into y, and that is equal to 528. And what is y? Y is 1 plus 2x. So x into y is 1 plus 2x equals 528. So let me multiply these two. I get 2x into x, which is 2x square. Then I have plus x minus 528 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation what we get for the first problem what we have. Next, the second one, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. So find the equation. Consecutive numbers. So let the first number be x. Consecutive means the next number. So what is the next number? It is x plus 1. So if the first number is x, the next number will be x plus 1 because these two are consecutive numbers. And the product is 306. So what do? I have x into x plus 1 equals 306. So I have x square plus x, so I bring this to LHS, minus 306 equal to 0. So this is the equation. So it's a very simple problem. 3. Rohan's mom is 26 years older than him. So let Rohan's age be x and Rohan's mom is 26 years older than him. So if Rohan is x years, Rohan's mom is x plus 26. Okay, so here you have Rohan's age is x, Rohan's mom is 26 years older, so it's going to be x plus 26. The next sentence states that if the product of their ages 3 years from now, 3 years from now means Rohan will be x plus 3 and Rohan's mom also will be x plus 26 plus 3. That means she is going to be x plus 29. So the product of Rohan's and his mom's age 3 years from now is given to be 360. So this into this is 360. So x plus 3 into x plus 29 equals 360. So all we have to do is we have to multiply these two and we need to get the answer. So when we multiply, we get x squared, and then you have x into 29, and then you have x into 3. So we get plus 32 x plus 29 into 3 minus 360. So you get minus 273 equal to 0. So all you have to do is you have to bring this 360 to LHS, so it becomes minus 360 plus 3 into 29. So it becomes minus 360 plus 87. So we get this minus 273. Problem 4. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers with uniform speed. So let the speed, the current speed, be equal to x. Now if the speed was 8 kilometers per hour less, so now if the speed was x minus 8, then it would have taken 3 hours more. Alright, so here we have a train which is moving at a constant speed of 480 at a speed x, and if the speed reduces, what happens to the time taken? The time taken increases. Now if the train is moving at a constant speed, then what is the time taken? So we know that the time taken equals distance by speed, which is 480 by x. And what happens as the speed reduces? So if the speed reduces to x minus 8, then it takes 3 hours more. So when speed is x minus 8, then the time taken is 3 hours more than this. So it's going to be 480 by x plus 3. So now we need to get the equation. We have the equation distance is equal to speed into time taken. Now what is the distance? The distance is 480. And what is the speed? The speed is x minus 8. And the time taken would be 480 by x plus 3. So we need to multiply these two and we'll get the equation. So what happens? So here I have 480 equal to x into 480 by x. So you get 480 plus x into 3 is 3x minus 8 into 480 by x. So here you have minus 8 into 480 by x. So what is 8 into 480? It is, so 8 into 480 is 3840 by x minus, you have minus 8 into 3 is 24. Alright, so this 480 and 480 gets cancelled. Now I have a divide by x here. So what do? Let me multiply the entire equation by x. So if I do that, I get 3x squared. The x and x gets cancelled. I get minus 24x minus 3840 equal to 0. Now can I divide the entire equation by 3? Yes, of course. So if I divide it, I get x squared minus 24 by 3 is 8x minus 3840 by 3. So you get 1280 equal to 0. So this is the equation which defines the train traveling a distance of 480 with a speed of x minus 8 and time is 480 by x plus 3. So this is the quadratic equation what we get, right? So here we have come to the end of the first exercise. So it's a very simple exercise and it's a very simple chapter though. So make sure that you do like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to join the Telegram group. The link has been given in description, where you will get regular uploads of all the videos of 10th mathematics. And thanks for watching.